I'll say them, okay, at least you should have, it is fine with the compliance, but we recommend it should be SHA-1 or SHA-2 256-bit hash should be implemented here. So this kind of approach can be there to enhance your auditing skills in terms of this thing. So we have one more very, very critical question. Yeah, conclusion. We have one, but this is important question for the people who want to approach this model. That let's take an example. I want to, for example, like I am a company who want to have this, managed security framework in my company. So what are the challenges which you think which can be there, which I may or may not have to face in terms of while implementing this framework? So just quick view, one minute, if you can add.
Okay. The first scenario I would tell is that he need not worry about anything, first of all. If he really wants to get his organization protected, he has to choose what he really wants in his organization. At least he should have that kind of a intelligence to identify what he needs. And then he chooses a service provider. We have two different markets here. If you look at the Indian market, the customer would buy all the security appliances. He'll invest everything on the infrastructure. And there is a service provider who is monitoring on his environment. And there is a different set of market. For example, the US, everything is on cloud. It's just that you need not have your database server, you need not have any security appliance. It's just a small box sitting in your office, and it would manage everything. Subscription based, you need to maybe pay an extra premium to have that kind of a thing. But the customer is not worried about his security posture. So that's the confidence what India has to build in the near future, that they wouldn't really think security as a challenge, because security is all about practice. And the more you practice, the more perfect you become. Right.
See, my view is something like, yes, we do have some sort of challenges when we go for this particular managed security services. The first thing I would say, like, if an organization has got multiple presence in the globe, different geographical locations, yes, compliance plays a very vital role there. Because certain things can be managed, certain things can be monitored in certain countries, but other things cannot be monitored, especially in the European Union or the European countries. There, the laws are completely different. So that's one of the challenges where we can face. Second, in terms of licensing, yes, we all know that right away we got some sort of an EU sort of a license, we got a global license and all that, but yes, we do have some sort of a challenges in terms of licenses, because certain products can be purchased for certain countries. For example, the McAfee. Yes, if I buy for Bangalore, I need to use only in Bangalore. I can't be using somewhere else. Similarly, with regard to the monitoring of the systems, in certain countries, they don't allow us to monitor the critical aspects. Yes, they do generate some sort of an alerts so that we can become some sort of a proactive thing. But yes, we do have a lot of challenges. And the other thing is security. Yes, we are giving permission to the third party to manage the security. So basically, it's mean that, yes, the gate to our house, we are telling somebody else to manage the gate. Right? On top of it, I would say that, legally, I think for all these challenges, legal contractual things should be in place. Absolutely. Yep, absolutely.
For me, I have seen that many organizations in India, we are offering managed services to global organizations, MNCs, typically. But the problem here is the same organization is not offering the same kind of service to the Indian customers, maybe the cost. So my recommendation will for the managed services that what you are offering to global, you should also consider the Indian fact, maybe because of the cost, Indian customers, yes, they do a lot of bargaining. So we have to, build the services which can, the same services, so that you can provide the same services to Indian customers. They can take advantage of those services. Because what I was implementing, or I was proposing solutions to one of my customers, they were using a couple of our services.